Can you view private TikTok account without following? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll discuss if it's possible to quickly view private account in TikTok without following. So let us get started. So if you ever wonder what this person is having inside the private account and that you might want to check it out, but you don't want to follow them, do you think there is a way that you can do so? There is no current way or feature that allows you to view private TikTok without following them. Now, there are many websites, many apps, third-party apps that promise you that they can give you the information inside of the private TikTok, but most of them are scams and they just steal your information. So I do not recommend you guys going through different websites and giving your information to them. Those are scams and they will just steal your information. And also, you cannot actually see or view private TikTok account without following them because that violates the very essence of being a private account. So all you can do to view the private TikTok account is just follow them. And yeah, I hope this answers your question. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Take care.